What's up, man? It's your boy Goobs. He's back again. You know, we were chilling over earlier with DC Gaming. If you caught him on the live stream, I'm just gonna give you a little tour here before I move out. You know, got my New York sign over there. Used to be all lit up, gangsters as fuck, but you know. Shit falls off the wall sometimes. At least the glass didn't crack. I gotta get a solder kit. Put that bitch back together. And I got the broom here, sweeping, moving out. But this is what the video was all about, baby. It's my new pistol. Hey, it don't look like a pistol. Well, guess what? It's a pistol, motherfucker. 8.5-inch barrel. Stabilizing fin. Omni hybrid multi-caliber tactical. But guess what? There's even something cooler, but yeah, alright. Wait, I'll show you the scope real quick. It's just a classic teriyaki, Come on, you stiff bugger. Trying to keep my glass clean on this one. I lost my other rubber dubber. I asked them to send me two, but they wouldn't. I don't know why. Loyal customers doing reviews. Look at that. Bam. 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 Look at that red dot. Put it right on that little guy's face on my workout machine. You see that? Boom. See? See how crazy ill that is? 1 second. Death. The scope's the same as the last video. If you didn't see the scope, check out my last video. 4 settings, 2 different colors, 4 different brightnesses. 4 reticles, 4 brightnesses, 2 different colors. But this baby, man, how can you not love it? How can you not? Flat dark earth, dust cover, refraction, bullet refraction, skeletonized bullet refraction, and it's already fucking made out of plastic. The cocksucker's like fucking 4 pounds. Forward assist. I mean, fucking matted tactical grip. Look, it's on safety. See how stiff that is? No fucking movement. None. Nothing on safety. Nothing at all. This thing's built like a truck. Actually, when it did come in, the barrel nut was loose. I just grabbed my torque wrench and tightened it back down, and this shroud was loose, but I don't know if it was from getting banged around in shipping or they didn't do it properly, but know your weapon. Know what to do if that happens. I just back together. Know your weapon system. Anybody that does not know their weapon system, I'll do it in the next video, but takedown pins, pivot, out, in, and you can throw on like something like this. Oh, wait. He has a frickin' Army AR in his goddamn box. Yes, I do. Skeletonized everything. 2 pounds that, 2 pounds that. Probably about 6 pounds. I don't know. 8 pounds. But I'll show you the takedown method. Nickel boron coated charging or bulk carrier group with a 96 steel nickel boron coated tool steel bolt, and then just a patent and pending charging handle here. It's not the best actually, but when it's in there, it does good. It just needs a little finesse, I guess. It's I might have to switch the charging handle out from this one to my other blue one. See what I mean? Gotta even put down the damn camera.